here's the Butsudan. We have two doors. We have the top. We have the left side with the groove at the back. The base. The skirt. Again, the groove at the back. Right side. Facing in. The belt. Okay. And second door. The drawer. Light card. The Amamori knot for hanging the gahams in front. Various wedges. And the light. Start with the left side. Okay. Again, this groove at the back, facing in. Go ahead and take the skirt and slide it in the bottom mortise here. Okay, like so. Now take the belt and do the same thing. Now on the belt, you'll notice these two mortises here. On the top side, they're wider. On the bottom side, they're narrower. You'll see that they taper in from top to bottom. I'll go ahead and mark it as well with an up. This gets inserted here, like that. Okay. Right side, again, the groove towards the back, facing in, skirt in the bottom, belt in the middle. There we go. Okay. Now take your base, go ahead and set your base down, and insert these tenons in to the mortises down here. It should slide in fairly easily. Snug it down until you see that down here it's flush with the base. Okay. Now we're ready for the gold backer board. I put gold on both sides. You just choose which side you think looks the nicest. The notch here is at the top. That's how you know the top. Slide that in. Go slowly with this. If it catches here at all, just pull this forward. Okay? Slide it all the way down. Now you're ready for a couple of the walnut wedges. There are 4. 2 for the top, and they're quite thick. 2 for the sides, they're quite thin. One is marked with an R. Go ahead and stick it over here. The other one with an L. It really doesn't matter, honestly. Don't snug them down quite yet. Just go ahead and drop them in. And you'll see that as you put it in, this will draw in. And that's all you want. You just want to make that, close that gap here. And that's really what that's going to do. Next, we could, at the top, okay, there's the top. Insert these in here. Forgive me, we're not going to do the top quite yet. We're just going to put the light guard on. Okay? Like that. Sliding it into the grooves here. No, just like that. This goes next. Top. Good. Alright. And that should, it's going to look like that in the back. Did you see that? Okay. wedges. 1, 2. Left, right, doesn't matter. Using only hand pressure. That's all you need. You don't need no hammers, no mallets, just the pressure of your hands. Drawer. Slide that in. There we go. Of course, I forgot something. The knot to hang the Gehanten. Now what I typically do, let's take this off again. We don't need to take it off, we can just raise it up like that, okay? Because what's going to happen is this notch here on the backboard is going to accept the tail of your amamori knot, and that will make sure that it's centered. And it's going to go like that. So what I like to do is the string for the Gehanten, you want to thread this side underneath that, this side over the bit, so that the string for the Gehanten is like this through it, and it hangs that way. Okay, that's one way you could do it. There's probably another way. Leave that up for you to decide. There we go. Now, the pressure of that alone should hold that knot in place and keep. But you can adjust the height. Before you snug that down, if you want your Gehanten up a little bit, you can just pull that. Okay, but that's not going to go anywhere. But if you feel that you want some extra security, come around the back and go ahead and just tie 1 or 2 little overhand knots like that. And that'll keep that from slipping out. Let's stick that up there. There we go. The light. Here, peel off the sticky tape. You'll notice it does actually come with batteries. Behind this battery up here, there's a piece of plastic. Pull that out. And then insert that up in there, like that. Okay. I have a little light here that I use for demonstration purposes. There are a couple of points here, 2 little metal points. Just touch it with your finger, and that completes the circuit and turns the light on. And it gives you, that's what it should look like. It's your light. It's a nice, warm, natural light. As for the doors, here's the left door for this side. And you know that it's the left door for this side because this side of the door is has been tapered, whereas this side is flat. Okay. There we go. Okay. Same here. This door here, again, it's tapered. And that